cesspool of professionals. But I confess too much off of the tongue. All my aunties and my uncles shield the ears of the young. I be saying shit and they don't know where it's coming from. In like 100 years we went Zarbomba from guns. Check the facts, check the Fed, check the stars. Stanley Mines was murked for a water fuel cell car. They each their own, you can stick with your old ways, but eat the rich and drink the motherfucking Kool-Aid. And I can see the red on your lip stain. White skin, blue collar, pure American made. Fuck it, you can keep your blood-soaked heritage and run the soul off the moon-landed narrative. Yeah, my girl thinks that I'm embarrassing. My folks think I'm nuts, but never question the parenting. Stuck in bed, so my boss thinks I'm lazy. Connecting dots, but it's all kinda hazy. I'm on the internet, feeling like I'm Dick Tracy. My pack thinks I'm un-American and shady. Yeah, I'm feeling unhinged lately. Encounters of the fifth kind on the daily. You could tell me that the president's an alien, it wouldn't faze me. My family thinks I'm crazy. Baby, 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 my family thinks I'm crazy. Baby, baby, baby. You might think that I'm off in the deep end. One too many Netflix docs on the weekends. But check the budget for a military defense. Tell me we ain't scared of something not within reason. Steel beams, another 1492. And 9/11 was the red, white, and blue. And you be lit off the floor riding, ain't got a clue. All your dreams just shit on a Rockefeller shoes. Don't believe a damn thing a politician ever said. Ain't one brick left to gold up in the Fed. They still got bricks of cocaine to make crack. Oxy's killing the working class, FDA's whack. Talking like this, got kin talking behind backs. Too much to unpack, so they talk smack. And I'm just trying to converse with my clan, but it ain't fan. So I'm here setting up camp. Stuck in bed, so my boss thinks I'm lazy. Connecting dots, but it's all kinda hazy. I'm on the internet, feeling like I'm Dick Tracy. My pack thinks I'm un-American and shady. Yeah, I'm feeling unhinged lately. Encounters of the fifth kind on the daily. You could tell me that the president's an alien, it wouldn't faze me. My family thinks I'm crazy. Baby, 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 my family thinks I'm crazy. Maybe, 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 just maybe. Stuck in bed, so my boss thinks I'm lazy. And that's what it's all kinda hazy. I'm on the internet, feeling like I'm Dick Tracy. My pap thinks I'm un-American and shady. I'm feeling unhinged lately. Encounters of the fifth kind on the daily. You could tell me that the president's an alien, it wouldn't faze me. My family thinks I'm crazy. Yeah, I think one thing I've learned is you can't rule anything out. So, you know, maybe I am.
Edition rock and roll.
I would say hip-hop is a state of mind in the place called the now. You have the gifted, unlimited, who keeps it breathing. Protecting hip-hop, and it don't stop. It's beautiful like a clear blue sky on a sunny day, or like the face of a goddess. Non-ether, going to hip-hop heaven on the breast, reminiscing before Rap City went plain. Spit ridiculous flows like they're catching bows in 112. I delved into the game in 91, 12 years, a no deal and still kept it real. 2 turntables in the mic, burning incense. I like grits, girls raised in the South. Knife got clout amongst the gifted. A lyrical scientist, an alchemist. Words go inside, changing molecular structure. A fly MC from Electron to Mount Paran. Yo, yo, yo. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch the soul. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch the soul. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. Yo, yo, not to rap hip-hop, you must know the culture. The 5 elements, DJ and MC and break and grab, and the knowledge through the math. It started back in the days before the corporate record execs had MCs going commercial. I flipped that shit off the dome, no rehearsal. It's ill like supreme math. To be an MC, you must master the craft like an elder. I beat the Electron dweller, but not in the cellar. I played it back on the low. I need half of my dough before I do a show, and the other half before I enter the stage. Rhyme patterns go off the page. I rap hip-hop like a disciple of Christ from the Sarah, the infamous nice scientist, a leader, never a follower. Yo, 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 yo. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch your soul. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch your soul. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch your soul. I love life, I love hip-hop, and it don't stop. Yo, yo. Diction while I'm spitting, a thug reason assassin, so I guess no less. Oh how ill, you freestyling while I'm online like AOL.com. Encounter diverse people on this planet called Geek. Study deadly leaflet pamphlets on the IBIS style. Studied by the now, a star child of this shit, taking it back to the jazz samples, break beats, no bling. I'm under the ground with my team. I ripped you in the ring in the 9th round. Lyrics spray you like a full pound. It's murder in the 9th degree. An ill ass MC, OG, oh God. I study hip hop like religion. That formation of my style is quite hard, like a memory card. I buzz hard over fly instrumentals. Can it be this simple? Yo, I love life, I love hip hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch your soul. I love life, I love hip hop, and it don't stop. A 1, 2, 1, 2, these lyrics touch your soul. I love life, I love hip hop, and it don't stop. Yo, yo.